get ready for a massive AI shakeup. Nvidia is dropping a colossal $100 billion investment into OpenAI, igniting a partnership that could redefine the future of artificial intelligence. We're talking about a deal so big, it's sending shockwaves through the tech world. Plus, find out what this means for Microsoft and Oracle's own AI ambitions as we dive deep into the numbers and the implications. And stick around, because we've got even more groundbreaking AI news coming your way. Don't miss a second, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Nvidia's $100 billion bet on OpenAI, the AI power play you need to see. Get ready, because Nvidia just made a move that's shaking the foundations of the AI world. The chip giant has officially announced plans to invest a staggering up to $100 billion in OpenAI, the powerhouse behind ChatGPT. This isn't just a small investment. It's a landmark strategic partnership designed to deploy at least 10 gigawatts of Nvidia's cutting-edge chips for OpenAI's massive AI infrastructure. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang himself confirmed in a CNBC interview that this investment is completely additive, going beyond any previously communicated financial expectations. This deal is set to supercharge OpenAI's ability to train its next-generation AI models, including future versions of ChatGPT, and power the AI factory growth plans of the company aiming for superintelligence. This massive infusion of capital and compute power comes at a critical time. OpenAI, which recently announced over 700 million weekly active users, has been vocal about compute constraints being a significant hurdle. This partnership with Nvidia, a longtime collaborator, is seen as a crucial step to alleviate those pressures and accelerate their ambitious roadmap. The market is already reacting, with Nvidia shares jumping significantly following the announcement, signaling strong investor confidence in this monumental collaboration. Analysts are buzzing about the implications, with some noting that OpenAI will be the first public reference for Nvidia's Vera Rubin platform, set to deploy in the second half of 2026. But what does this colossal investment mean for other major players like Microsoft and Oracle, who are also deeply involved with OpenAI? And is this the biggest AI deal we've seen yet? Stay tuned as we break down the ripple effects of Nvidia's $100 billion commitment, and then dive into another major AI development that's about to change the game. Nvidia and OpenAI forge landmark alliance, a new era of AI compute. In a move that's set to accelerate the AI revolution, Nvidia and OpenAI have inked a letter of intent for a groundbreaking strategic partnership. This collaboration will see Nvidia invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI as they deploy at least 10 gigawatts of AI data centers powered by Nvidia's next-generation Vera Rubin GPUs. This significant investment underscores the critical role of compute infrastructure in achieving advanced AI capabilities. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang highlighted the long-standing relationship between the two companies, noting their journey from early supercomputers to the breakthrough of ChatGPT. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman emphasized that everything starts with compute, positioning this partnership as foundational for future AI advancements and the broader economy. The deal is particularly noteworthy as OpenAI prepares for the first phase of its Vera Rubin platform deployment in the second half of 2026. This venture signifies OpenAI's commitment to building its own data centers and securing substantial compute resources to fuel its pursuit of superintelligence. The partnership addresses the growing demand for AI processing power, especially as OpenAI's user base continues to expand rapidly, surpassing 700 million weekly active users. This strategic alliance has already boosted Nvidia's stock, reversing recent declines and pushing the company towards new highs, with its valuation soaring past $4.46 trillion. The market's positive reception reflects the immense potential of this collaboration to drive innovation and solidify Nvidia's position as a leader in AI hardware. Will this massive compute power unlock unprecedented AI breakthroughs? And what happens when compute constraints become a thing of the past? We're just scratching the surface of this monumental deal. And next, we're looking at how Nvidia's investment is reshaping the landscape for other tech giants. Nvidia's $100 billion AI power play. OpenAI gets next-gen infrastructure. Prepare for a seismic shift in artificial intelligence as Nvidia and OpenAI announce a monumental partnership. Nvidia is set to invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI, fueling the deployment of at least 10 gigawatts of AI data centers built on Nvidia's cutting-edge Vera Rubin GPUs. This strategic move positions OpenAI as the first public reference for Nvidia's next-generation platform, slated for initial deployment in the second half of 2026. This deep collaboration marks a significant escalation in the race for AI supremacy. Nvidia CEO Jensen, Huang emphasized the decade-long synergy between the two companies, tracing their joint progress from early supercomputing initiatives to the revolutionary advancements seen with ChatGPT. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman underscored the fundamental importance of compute, stating, "Everything starts with compute," and how this partnership will be instrumental in creating new AI breakthroughs and scaling their benefits globally. The deal addresses OpenAI's critical need for massive compute resources to train its advanced AI models, including its next-generation ChatGPT iterations, as it pursues the ambitious goal of achieving superintelligence. With OpenAI's user base surging past 700 million weekly active users, the demand for scalable and powerful infrastructure has never been higher. This strategic alliance ensures OpenAI has the necessary horsepower to continue its rapid innovation trajectory. Market reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, with Nvidia's stock seeing a significant boost, reflecting strong investor confidence in the long-term implications of this massive AI infrastructure investment. Analysts are keenly observing the details, with some pointing out the significant capital commitment involved, with Nvidia investing approximately $10 billion per gigawatt deployed. This partnership is already changing the game for AI development, but what does it mean for existing collaborations, and how will it impact the broader tech ecosystem? Stick around as we dissect the full impact of this Nvidia OpenAI powerhouse deal, and then reveal another incredible AI development that's turning heads. Nvidia and OpenAI, a $100 billion compute and cash partnership. Get ready for a game-changing collaboration as Nvidia inks a strategic partnership with OpenAI, promising both substantial compute power and significant financial investment. Nvidia plans to invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI, progressively dispersed as OpenAI deploys at least 10 gigawatts of AI data centers utilizing Nvidia systems. This deal positions Nvidia as the preferred strategic compute and networking partner for OpenAI's ambitious AI factory expansion. This alliance is poised to accelerate OpenAI's development of new AI models on its path to superintelligence, providing the essential compute infrastructure needed for such demanding tasks. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman reiterated the foundational role of compute, stating, "Compute infrastructure will be the basis for the economy of the future." This partnership aims to leverage their combined strengths to drive AI breakthroughs and empower businesses and individuals at scale. The news arrives amid evolving dynamics in OpenAI's compute strategy, following earlier announcements about its collaboration with Microsoft and a potential cloud computing deal with Oracle. While Microsoft remains a significant investor, OpenAI has been diversifying its infrastructure partnerships to meet its rapidly growing demands, especially after reaching over 700 million weekly active users for ChatGPT. This move with Nvidia provides a critical boost to OpenAI's compute capabilities. The market responded positively to the announcement, with Nvidia's stock showing upward momentum. This partnership not only secures OpenAI's compute needs, but also solidifies Nvidia's dominant role in supplying the hardware backbone for the AI revolution, with its valuation surging past $4.46 trillion. This is a massive leap forward for AI, but how will this new compute capacity change the way we interact with AI? We've covered the biggest AI news of the day, but don't go anywhere because we've got a lightning-fast recap and a massive call to action coming right up. And that's a wrap on today's AI bombshells. We saw Nvidia announce a colossal $100 billion investment in OpenAI, setting the stage for a new era of AI development. We also explored the details of this landmark partnership, highlighting the massive compute power and strategic implications for both tech giants and the broader AI landscape. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this update valuable, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest ChatGPT insights. Share your thoughts on this monumental Nvidia OpenAI deal in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And for more exclusive content and behind-the-scenes peeks, make sure to follow us on all our social media channels. Let's keep building the future of AI together.